Yeah, you're supposed to be taking notes, right? So you have your notes that you have based off of your topic. They're on this thing, this copy of Cornell. And then what you're supposed to do is kind of come up with at least 5 ideas for whatever topic it is. You put those 5 ideas on these blue lines, and then you should have 3 sentences underneath each one. And then obviously your title goes up top. And then you just replace these images with whatever image represents whatever your idea is. You
Oh,
understand?
it's easy.
Yeah, this is not very difficult at all. Is
this a 10th grade or a classwork?
I haven't decided yet. It'll probably be like a triple classwork grade or something, because it takes a little while to do.
Damn.
Yeah, well, this took days, so I don't want to get it counted as one classwork grade. So it'll be like maybe like a triple classwork grade, but it's not hard to do. Once you have your notes, you just fill in the information. So you should have 5 separate ideas here about the topic, with 3 sentences underneath, and then you just when you go to do the image, just make sure you hit replace image, which is this button. Right. So say whatever you hit replace image, go to drive or whatever. I guess you can do it this way. Right? Actually, I don't want to drive. Let's actually do it. Replace image, search the web. Then I can type in whatever I want to know. Maybe SpongeBob. But there you go. And then you just hit replace, and it'll replace that circle with SpongeBob. See how to do that? Make sure you're doing that for your images. Don't delete this image and then try to put a picture, because it's not going to fit in the circle. It'll screw it up. So again, replace image, search the web. Why did that do that? Go with here it is. Please.
Wait, mister, on the top I make like a summary. On the top I put a summary.
So the top just has to be your title. You might want to have a little bit of information underneath it. Maybe like your opinion on the topic. So it depends on what it is, because there's so much variety in the terms of what you can be researching right now that it depends on what you're doing. So if you're doing
mine is gun control.
Yeah, so gun control especially, right? So gun control, there's actually multiple sides, right? And you can pretty much argue from both sides. So maybe you can say something like, you know, guns are bad, right? And then you can focus on why guns are bad, or you can say like everyone needs a gun. So it depends on where you decide on the issue, and then each one of these topics has to have ideas about it. So maybe you can say like, you know, maybe like assault guns should be banned, or maybe you should say like assault guns shouldn't be banned. So it depends on, after you find your information, what you're going to write and how you feel about the topic. All right. Make sure each one of these things is at least 3 sentences long underneath your ideas. Okay.
Okay.
Dealing with trash. Why did you put Among Us? Mr. Santiago, you don't like Among Us? You must be an imposter.